Hey, welcome to Couple of Hustlers YouTube channel where we talk all things real estate. Today, I want to talk to you guys about house hacking. So, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Aaron James. I own over 38 doors, been in real estate investing for over 5 years now. And I share a lot of my journey of real estate investing on YouTube as well as on Instagram and TikTok. And I recently had someone reach out to me and ask me, am I house hacking to be able to grow my real estate portfolio? The simple answer to that is no. But I want to talk to you about house hacking, what it is, and what my thoughts is on it. So house hacking basically is you own a property, 3 bedroom property. You live in one unit. You rent out the other 2 units to be able to pay for your mortgage. So you're essentially living for free, which is always great. I actually, I'm a fan of house hacking in certain situations. So the only time I really agree with house hacking is if you're a younger person, maybe early 20s, you don't have a lot of money and you don't mind having roommates. So being younger and having the roommates, you can buy, you can get into real estate with you can buy the property with a 3.5% down FHA mortgage, which definitely makes it easier to buy. And then having those, people rent out the 2 bedrooms, taking care of your mortgage helps you, basically live for free. Um, that's always a plus. But why I don't like it is because you have to have roommates. Like I said, it works when you're in your early 20s. But when you are, in your 30s, you have a family like I do, that doesn't necessarily work out. You don't want to have people living in the property with you. And, it's just not ideal. Um, Me personally, I don't even look at house hacking as real estate investing. When I think about real estate investing, I think about owning a property that you don't live in that other people pay for you. If you live in a property that you own, to me, I guess it is a form of investing, but to me, it's more so a savings account. The bank doesn't necessarily look at the house you own the same way they look at real estate that you own that you don't live in. So if you live in the property, they kind of look at it as, like I said, a savings account, and they don't always count that towards your net worth. So they may exclude that from your net worth because you're paying for it with earned income. So that's something to think about. House hacking is definitely a situation that you are approved for the property because you are paying for it with earned income. Even though you have tenants in there, it's looked at as a property that you live in, so the banks view it a little differently. Um, Me personally, I don't want to just like feel like I'm throwing shade at house hacking because it can be a successful way to get into real estate. I just think that over time it would be something that's not necessarily the best situation because as you get older, you're not going to want to have roommates. You're not going to want to have to depend on them to pay the mortgage for you. If you have a property where you don't live in and they're paying the mortgage, I think that's more ideal. So would I recommend it? Yes. Do I think it's a long-term sustainable plan? No. So I think it's good early on, but as you grow in real estate, I think it's best to pivot to other forms of investing. If you're interested in these type of real estate topics, follow me on Instagram at Aaron James underscore 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 and go to our website, coupleofhustlers.com, and subscribe to our email list. And you'll get more information on these type of topics to help you take down your first real estate deal and jump into real estate. It could be very rewarding.